Dear student, from today we start new chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. Okay. In this chapter we see about the axis, origin and quadrant. See, these are the horizontal line. Okay. And we consider it as a x-axis. Okay. So at the horizontal line, these are the 0. On the right side of this 0, we consider the positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 1 centimeter each. And the left side we consider as a negative number minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. At the center from 0, we take a vertical line which are perfectly perpendicular to the horizontal line. Okay, so this angle may form here is a right angle, and this vertical line we consider as a y-axis. Okay, and from 0, the upper part of this line we consider as a positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and below the line we consider as a negative number minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, so see some points. Horizontal number lines is called as a x-axis. When x-axis and y-axis intersect each other perpendicularly at point O, which is known as origin. This point where this x-axis and y-axis intersect, these are known as the origin, and coordinate of this origin is a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 x-axis, 0 y-axis. On x-axis, positive number shown on right of the origin, O means origin, and negative number on left of origin. Okay. On y-axis, positive number are shown above origin O and negative number below it. Okay. X and y-axis divide plane into 4 parts which are called as a quadrant. Due to this x-axis and y-axis, here 4 quadrants created. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. 4 parts, first, second, third, fourth. But start from here. First, second, third, fourth. Okay. Suppose any point P. Here are we take a one point P. So you want to consider the first coordinate of x-axis. Okay, you want to consider the x-axis. So what is the x-axis? See, x-axis is 3. Okay, and the next you want to consider as a y-axis. So y coordinate is 1. Therefore coordinate of point P is a 3, 1. 3, 1. 3 is the x coordinate, 1 is the y coordinate. You want to write first x coordinate at any point. Okay, at any conditions. So see, x coordinate is plus, y coordinate is also plus, positive. So we here write plus, comma, plus, x coordinate plus, y coordinate plus. If this point P is here, okay, point P present in this second quadrant, what is the signs? X coordinate is negative. First see here, x coordinate is negative, so we write negative. Y coordinate is positive, so we write positive. Okay, third quadrant. If this point P is here, present here in the third quadrant, so what is the coordinate of this, sign of the coordinate of this point? X coordinate is negative, see, negative. We write negative minus. Y coordinate is also negative, so we write negative. Suppose point P present in the fourth quadrant, then X coordinate is positive and Y coordinate is negative. You want to learn all these symbols, sign symbols. First quadrant positive positive or plus plus, second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant minus minus, fourth quadrant plus minus. Okay, on the basis of this we can see some examples right now. See, coordinate in first quadrant is plus plus. These plus are x, first plus are x and next plus are y coordinate. Okay, second quadrant is minus plus, third quadrant is minus minus, fourth quadrant is plus minus. Okay, coordinate of origin is 0, 0, x coordinate 0 and y coordinate is also 0. But suppose any point is on the y coordinate on x axis is 0, means suppose this point P right now present here on y axis here, then y coordinate is 0. Okay, y coordinate 0. Suppose this point are right now here, x coordinate, see here, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 5. Okay, so by this way y coordinate on x axis is 0, x coordinate on y axis is 0. So on the basis of this we take practice set 7.1. Example number 1. State in which quadrant or axis following point lie. A. Minus plus. See, in the first quadrant, we know that first quadrant symbol is plus comma plus. Both the coordinate is plus. X coordinate plus and y coordinate plus. So where is plus plus? 3.5 plus comma 1.5 plus. Okay, K. D 2, 10 plus comma plus. E 37, 35 plus plus. Second quadrant, in second quadrant, what is the coordinate of second quadrant? Minus comma plus. Where is minus comma plus? C, point A, minus 3, 2 minus plus. In the third quadrant we know that both the coordinate is negative, minus comma minus. So B, minus 5, minus 2 minus minus. Q, minus 7, minus 3 minus minus. Fourth quadrant coordinate is plus minus. G, plus 3, minus 7. Okay, plus minus. On the x axis y coordinate is 0, M 12, 0. On the y axis x coordinate is 0, H 0, minus 5 and 0, 9. Now we see second example. In which quadrant following point lies? Condition 1. Both the coordinate are positive. Positive means plus plus. First quadrant plus comma plus. Both coordinate are negative, minus comma minus. Third quadrant x coordinate positive, y coordinate negative, means plus comma minus. Fourth quadrant x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive, minus comma plus, means second quadrant. Okay, so these are some examples you want to write properly in your copy. Do practice and solve again and